Here's the Tomy Gate, the original Tomy Gate hydraulic lift made by the Tomy Gate company on the back of this 1999 2500 truck. I'll show you first over here. There's a, if you want to operate it, there's a pivoting latch here. First on the driver's side, you open that. Over here on the passenger side, this is where the control is located. You can raise the latch, let the tailgate down, and then turn the Tomy Gate on. You'll see two lights come up. And when you lower it, you're basically just releasing hydraulic fluid. So it's not making very much noise. It's very, very quiet. And you can stop it at any point, which is handy if you want to use it as a step, intermediate step up into the bed of the truck. And interesting, the tailgate actually conforms to the terrain. You can see it adjust to level out and flatten to the terrain. And then when you want to raise it up, you flip the switch up, and you can hear the hydraulic pump come on. Again, you can stop it anytime you want, or completely raise it. And flip it back up into position. This latch latches automagically. The other one on this side, you have to come around to this side. It pivots, so come around and lock that there. That's it, the hydraulic Tomy Gate. Still working great.